Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and I make content on fun DIY art stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, and without any further ado, let's dive into the So काफी time से ना I wanted to make some DIY coasters. It's something that's been in my checklist for so long at this moment. So I was like, this time let's order all the supplies and make it happen. So yeah, for today's video we are going to make some DIY coasters, and the method is super simple, super easy. Even someone with the known artistic skills can make this. So yeah, just follow. Alright, so I'll start by taking MDF coaster base. It's a MDF cutout of size 4 inches from Itsy Bitsy. Step number 1 is to cover the base with white acrylic color. Here I've put 2 coats of it. By the way guys, here I'm making 6 coasters. उसके बाद take Deco Transfer Sheet again by Itsy Bitsy. I picked this up because it has a lot of Indian quirky elements. So I'll start by cutting each element carefully. बहुत precisely cut out करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, but make sure you leave enough border around the element so that element का shape खराब ना हो. After that, remove the transparent film carefully. It's very easy to remove the film. After that, simply place the element upside down. Then using some water and a brush, gently dab over the element. You can also use sponge instead of a brush. You don't have to use too much of water, just simply dab it and the outer cover will come out automatically, leaving the actual print behind on the surface. So now using the same method, I'll put other elements as well. Remember, बचपन में कोई तो टॉफी आती थी जिसमें we used to get such temporary tattoos, जिसको we used to transfer on hands using water. So these transfer sheets work on the exact same mechanism. Now I feel like adding some gold foil, so this step is completely optional. So here I am adding some gold foil flakes on the edges using some Fevicol. Once dried, I'll take another big brush and dust off the excess foil, and honestly speaking, I am pretty much impressed by how this looks now. After that, I'll take a gold metallic paint and cover the edges to give it a rich look. Once done, apply 2 to 3 coats of varnish. You can also apply a coat of resin and hardener to increase its life and durability. And that's it. That's the final result. I absolutely love the way these turned out. Let me know what do you think. Alright, that was it for today's video, guys. Links to all the products used are going to be in the description box in case you are interested. Also, if you happen to buy anything from Itsy Bitsy, then you can use my code Kreativecrafts5 to get additional 5% off. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do all the good things that you can. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay positive, stay creative. Bye.